Jung Express and Jung Logistics, the two work autonomously. We can literally move freight from any point to any point throughout North America and even the world. We never have to tell a customer no.
Jung Express has 34 years of experience with over 30,000 vehicles nationwide for competitive pricing and fastest delivery options.
We put extensive efforts into building up our network and assets that strictly handle dedicated shipments. Not only is our niche being expedited freight, but we never have other customers' freight on board and will not cross-dock any of our customer shipments.
For each customer, we have permanent notes in our system. They don't have to repeat themselves. Any special needs you may have is no issue for our team to find the best suited vehicle for you.
We hold ourselves to high standards to ensure the customer is fully satisfied.
When you pick up the phone, you have to look at it as that's your best friend calling you and they need help. Are you going to be there for them?
We are open 24/7, including the weekends, so we'll always have a real person answering your questions or concerns. Once the shipment is picked, loaded, and delivered, our customers will receive live updates while being able to track their shipment as it's going.
When you use Jung Express, not only do you have dispatch, but you have a team of reps that cater to any needs you have.
We are more than just a company that moves freight.
We believe in having a personal and working relationship with our customers.
We always like to say we're in the people business.
When God gave me the opportunity to run His business, I made a commitment and a promise to Him that I would honor Him through the company. It's a Wounded Warrior Project, Pause for Purple Hearts, it's a Milwaukee Rescue Mission.
Build churches, provide Bibles.
We sponsor 14 kids in orphanages over in Haiti and Venezuela.
It's nice to work for somewhere where we're helping spread it out to others.
Just seeing the difference that Jung Express is able to make, everything that we have came from a gift of God, and we were able to provide through the business because of how faithful we have been.
Started out with a metal desk in a 2-bedroom apartment. I was trying to figure out what God had intended for me. What was the next step? Grabbed the phone from the shadow box, put it in our kitchen, put it on the desk, and told my wife, I said, when it rings, you gotta answer Jung Express from now on. And that was 34 years ago. Who we are is here for each other, for our community, for our country, and for the world. It's the heartbeat of Jung Express.